Hi family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selinazinchuk. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you two ways that you can use onions on your hair to help with your hair loss, help reverse alopecia, and also grow back your bald spots. If you would love to see exactly all what I put together, then please keep on watching. First of all, I'm just going to peel my onions, get rid of the peelings. I was researching that onion peelings, they are also great. It also considered a DHT blocker, but we wouldn't be using that in this recipe. I'm just going to be using the onion flesh itself. I'm just gonna go and rinse our onions and then I will be right back. Done rinsing up our onions, I'm gonna cut this in two because we'll be using half for our onion juice and we'll be using this other half for our onion oil. So I'm just gonna cut it into smaller pieces so it can blend faster. Then I'm gonna put it into our blender. I'm going in with 1 cup of water. And I'm just gonna put our blender on for I'm blending our onion. I got my stocking and then my measuring cup. I'm just going to strain our onion juice. This is very simple to make, but let me tell you, it is very effective for hair growth. We got our onion juice. I'm just going to transfer it into our spray bottle for easy application. This is not my first time using onions on my hair. If you check on my channel, you'll see some videos way back on it. So I know exactly what I'm talking about. Don't even waste your time by putting your essential oils into onion juice because it's not going to work. The smell of onion is way too strong for anything to max it out. So if you want to use it, just be strong enough to bear the smell because the smell is very strong. So I will put it in our spray butter so it can be easy for us to apply on our scalp and on our hair, and just so we don't make a lot of mess all over. And I would recommend that you try doing this outside just so the smell cannot linger in your whole house for hours. Now that we got that, I'm gonna close it, put this aside, and we're gonna go and prepare our onion growth oil. Prepare our onion growth oil. We got our half onion. I'm also just gonna cut it in smaller pieces. And transfer it into our blender. And our onion this time, we wouldn't be using water. Instead, we'll be using 1 cup of olive oil. And I'm just going to pour that in. I'm going to blend our onion and our oil mixture together. Blending your onion and your oil, you should have something like this. I'm just going to transfer it into our pot. And just put your stove on very low. Very low. And then just let your oil slowly cook. You can keep stirring it every 5 to 10 minutes. According to my research that I did few years back on onions for hair growth, I got to know that researchers instructed participants with alopecia to apply onion juice to their scalp 2 times a day for 2 months. After 2 weeks, patients began to see results. Nearly 74% of participants reported hair growth after 4 weeks, and nearly 87% saw regrowth in 6 weeks. That shows that test was all sources. When onion is applied to your hair and your scalp, to be precise, the onion juice, it provides extra sulfur to support strong and thicker hair. It prevents hair loss and promotes hair growth. The sulfur from onions may also help promote collagen production. Family, so this is the two ways that you can use onions on your hair with your onion juice and your onion growth oil. This oil, I'm just going to use it right now as a pre-poo treatment and as a hot oil treatment along with my onion juice. If you cannot stand the smell of onion by using it in a juice form, then I would recommend the onion growth oil because it is not too strong. And you can also add in some essential oils into it to try to max the smell. So for this oil, I'm going to add more ingredients into it. And I'm also going to add it to my collection of growth oils. I'm going to mix it up with my S Secrets growth oil or my Carol growth oil. So I'm just going to put that back there. But today I will be using this on my hair and my scalp for my wash day. So let me just go and show you guys exactly how I will be using it. This is a simple process, but I'm pretty sure others will love to see how I apply it to my hair. So I got our treatment here. I was really hoping to do this outside because of this onion juice smell, but it is very cold out right now, so I just have to do it in my studio. However, I'm gonna put a lot of things down and also around my neck. Just make sure you wear something that is not too expensive that you really don't care about because it's gonna be smelly. And then after that, you can just throw it into your washer. Don't make a big deal out of it. If you really love your hair, don't complain. Okay, so this my hair. This is my, I don't know if you saw my slick bun that I did with my 4B4C hair. This is it. This is 2 weeks later. And it really held up pretty good. So you should know that my scalp is very, very dirty and itchy. So this onion treatment is just gonna help me a lot. This is the right time I decide to do this treatment. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go off camera, part my hair in sections, and then I'll come back for us to work on it because I don't want this video to be too long. Oof. And I got Aurora here with me. She dancing in front of the mirror. This little girl is not shy of the camera at all. Family, so parting this hair got so serious, I have to move to the floor. So we're gonna do our entire wash day on the floor because when I'm done using this treatment, I'm also gonna go in with my shampoo, my deep condition treatment, and then I'll moisturize my hair and throw my hair in my go-to bun. So let's just start on this section. And I got a lot of gel in my hair. No. And I'm just gonna take my time, use my fingers, because I don't want to cause any breakage. First, just want to spray some all over it. On your smell. The things we do for healthy here. Also, don't forget your ends. After that, I'm just gonna take my turn and pat my hair in sections. Then we're gonna mainly focus this on our scalp and massage that in. I feel so good. Okay, just gonna move to the next section, to the same. Let me just hold this out of my way. One thing I will advise is that when you want to use onion juice on your hair, you should really focus it on your scalp. It's also good to apply it on your hair, but you benefit more from it if you focus it on your scalp. And make sure you also massaging it in. Don't forget your edges. And our ends. I really hope this juice will be able to make it for my entire hair because I haven't gone anywhere yet. Just gonna put this section away and then continue it on the rest of my hair. I'm applying the onion juice to this section and this entire section. I'm now just gonna go in with my onion growth oil. Then just massage that in. If you don't want to use your expensive growth oil for a hot oil treatment, then this is a good alternative. Because normally I would use my S Secrets growth oil or my caffeine growth oil for my hot oil treatment, but if I'm doing a harder treatment and I don't want to use something so expensive, you can just use something simple like this, your onion growth oil, and you know the benefit it's also giving to your hair. Okay, I got my oil fully on my scalp and on my hair. I'm just going to twist that section up, and then I will apply my oil to this section and then move to the rest of my hair. Okay family, so I'm done applying our entire treatment and I used all of it. It was just enough to cover my hair. Concerning the oil, this is how much that I use. I'm just going to put my shower cap on. I will leave this on for an hour. If my hair was not too dirty, like if I was not having gel on my hair, then I was going to sit under my steamer. But being that I use gel on my hair, sitting under my steamer, it wouldn't really help me a lot. So I will just leave this on for an hour, and then after I will go rinse it out, shampoo my hair, and continue my wash day routine. Now to shampoo your hair, you need to at least shampoo it twice or even 3 times so that you can get all the onion smell from your hair. And once you also deep condition your hair, it will also help to take the onion smell from your hair. So just make sure you shampoo your hair a lot of time. I think I'm just gonna end the video here. What do you think? Okay family, so if you love this video, please do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I'm also on TikTok now as selinazinchuk. I'm on Instagram as selinazinchuk. I'm on Twitter as selinazinchuk, and I'm also on what else? YouTube. This video will be on YouTube as selinazinchuk. So if you're on any of those other social media platforms, try to follow me. I just created all of those platforms probably like a few days ago. So yeah, follow me there and let's see how creative I can be on those other platforms. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.